They're all in line, ready for a start. They're off in the Mohawk, and there goes Black Tide right out to the early lead, but he's got company from Cluntia to the inside. All his number will sit just behind them. Converge is next. Offering Plan will be second last, and Wrapped is the trailer. Black Tide onto the backstretch in front. Cluntia taken hard in hand behind Black Tide. They don't appear to be going that fast early on here. All his number is third, 3.5 lengths off the lead. Converge has 6 to make up, and then Offering Plan and the trailer is Wrapped, 24.7 for the opening quarter mile. So up the backstretch they go, and Black Tide says, "Come on, boys, let's go." He opens up to lead by 4.5 lengths. Cluntia running in second. And then it's All His Number third by 3. Converges fourth. Offering Plan now about 12 lengths behind Black Tide. The trailer is Wrapped. So they continue through a 47.92 half. The pace has picked up. Black Tide out there doing his thing. He's in front by 4.5 lengths. Cluntia and All His Number together second and third by 3. Converges fourth. Offering Plan and Javier Castellano still 10 lengths off of Black Tide at this stage and leading only Wrapped around the far turn. Black Tide with a 4-length lead here. 3/4 in 111.41. He turns for home with a 4-length advantage on All His Number. Cluntia's next on the outside. Then comes Converge. Offering Plan is in behind horses. Needs a path through and needs to pick up a lot of ground to get Black Tide. Black Tide coming to the 8th pole. He's got a 4-length lead. Offering Plan is on the inside. Then comes Converge on the far outside. It's Wrapped. Black Tide's going to try to hold off Offering Plan, and he's going to do it. Black Tide takes the Mohawk. Offering Plan came too late. Wrapped was third. Converge was fourth at a final time of 1 minute 40.98 seconds.